the admin section of the Engineering Standards Library of the VDE Publishing Company. In this video, we will show you the structure and functions of the admin area of the NormenBibliothek. The admin area is exclusively used for user management of multi-user licenses. Single licenses do not require or receive an admin access. To log into the admin area, click on Admin at the top right, and the login form will open. Simply enter your email address and password to log in. If you forgot your password, you can click on Forgot Password. You will receive an email with a link to reset your password. After logging in into the admin area, you will see your customer number in the title bar, and on the far right, the Log Out button. On the left side, you will find the tabs Users, Invite Users, Administrators, and Subscription. Right after logging in, you will be in the Users section, which displays an overview of the current users with access to the NormenBibliothek. Above the list on the right side, you will find the search field, which allows you to search through the user overview. In the user overview, users can be removed from the contract. To do this, select the users to be deleted, and the Remove from Contract button will become active. By clicking on Remove from Contract, the user will be deleted from the user overview. Details can be added to users. To do this, click on the first or last name of a user, for example, and the user information will open. In the user information, you can enter the department, cost center, and a comment. Additionally, it is possible to enter a date in the License Valid Until section, specifying the expiration date of the corresponding license and revoking the user access to the NormenBibliothek. By clicking Save, this information will be stored and the details will then appear in the user overview. To the right of the user information, you will find the Additional Information section. There, you will find the role of each user, primary admin, or secondary admin, the selections and groups of the contract or subscription, and the individual purchases divided into standards, drafts, and reference books acquired within this contract. To change the ordering rights of one or more users, select the corresponding user or users and click on Change Ordering Rights. The checkbox for ordering rights will then be either activated or deactivated. By clicking on Export, the entire list will be exported to a CSV file. To add a new user to the subscription, click on the Invite Users tab. At the top, you will see the contract number to which you are inviting the user. If a customer is associated with multiple contracts, you can select the corresponding contracts from a list. Enter the email address of the user to be invited in the email address field. When you click Send, the user will receive an email with a registration link to sign up for the NormenBibliothek. If a user has already been created, you will receive the message User Transferred. The user will not receive a new invitation email but can log in directly using their credentials. The admin will only gain access to the NormenBibliothek once they have added themselves as a user in this section. If an invited user accepts the invitation, they will immediately appear in the user overview section. To add multiple users to a subscription, you can upload a list of email addresses as a CSV or TXT file under the Invite Users section. Click on the Upload User List button to do so. Here you will see an example of a correct file format. If there are multiple contract numbers associated, you can select the correct contract from a list under Contract Number. By selecting Remove Missing Users from Subscription, all users not included in the uploaded file will be removed from the contract. Then click Send and you will receive an overview of already registered users and any potentially incorrect email addresses. The email addresses listed in the file will receive an automatic email with a registration link to sign up for the NormenBibliothek. The Administrators tab will only be displayed if you are the primary administrator, since only primary administrators have the right to designate secondary administrators. The number of available slots is displayed above the administrators list. If the number of available slots is 0, no further secondary administrators can be created. There is always one primary admin, and they can designate up to 2 secondary admins. To add a secondary administrator, click on Add. You can either select a user from the displayed list and click Add User, or enter the email address of an unregistered person in the Invite Administrator by Email section and then click Send Invitation. If you want to remove a secondary admin, select them from the list and click on Remove. The Subscription tab includes a list of all customer contracts. The list is divided into contract number, selections and groups, extensions and licenses, users, floating, quantity. By clicking on one of the contract numbers, the contract overview will open. Here you will find information about the licensing model, available licenses, maximum licenses, and concurrent users. Below that, there is a list of registered users, where you can also add or remove users from the contract. If the Add button is not active, all licenses in the subscription have already been assigned. By clicking on the Export Products button, a CSV file containing all products will be generated and can be downloaded. To log out from the admin management, click the Log Out Abmelden button at the upper right of your screen.